let's bring the b this side by adding plus b to both sides. So if we do so, we have 2/3 b plus b, which is equals to 20 minus 5. And now we have to perform LCM. So 2b upon 3 plus b upon 1. So 3 and 1 has an LCM of 3. So this is 2b plus 3b equals to 15. So 2 plus 3 is 5b divided by 3 equals to 15. And from here we have 5b equals 15 times 3, and b equals 15 times 3 divided by 5. So we can cross out 5 with 15 by 3 times. So b equals to 3 times 3, which is 9. So our final answer should be 9. There we go. All right, for the next question. The table compares the heights in centimeters and the weights in kilograms of Karim's friends. Can the weight of Karim's friends be represented as a function of their height? All right. And we have to select yes or no. So in order to solve this, first what we do is, they have asked us whether the weight of Karim's friend can be as a function of their height. So function of height is on the y-axis, and can weight of Karim's friend, so weight should be on the x-axis. Okay, so weight of Karim's friend be represented as a function of their height. So in order to do so, we know that a function has a valid, in order for a function to be valid, it must follow 1-to-1 relationship, number one, or many-to-one relationship. But if we found that we have one-to-many relationship, something like this, where you have for one values of x, you have multiple values for y, okay? In that case, like this voids the definition for function. Function is not defined for one is to many. So we just have to check whether for same values of x we have multiple values of y or not. So we have 65, 70, 70. Here we go. For 70, we have same values of x, but we have multiple values of y. So no, we cannot represent as a function of the height. And there we go. All right, so the next question. What is the slope of the line x equals to 9? Okay, so x equals to 9 basically is a line that is parallel to y-axis and on on x equals to 9. So if it is parallel to y-axis, the slope or the gradient is del y upon del x. Now if we observe here, if we take 2 points to find the slope, the del y is the same, so it becomes 0 regardless of what is not the del y. Del y is different, is different values of y, but the del x is 0, is the same x value, it's 9, right? So regardless of what is on the del y, if we have something divided by 0, then the entire thing becomes undefined or undefined or infinity. So we can say that the slope is undefined.